These look like the steps maybe that lead up to Jasper Knob. Hard to tell. That is jasperite though, by golly. That's the rock. Yep, that is. There's jasper in those rocks. So we'll go up this hill and see what we can find. Kind of an interesting trail, a little rooty, but an interesting trail nonetheless. Pretty back up in here. BIFs, or banded iron formations, are sedimentary rocks that have alternating layers of iron-rich oxides and iron-poor silicates. The rocks I am walking by on the path are protruding chunks of banded iron formation. Jasperite, also called itaberite, is a chemical rock formed similar to chert but is generally quite iron-rich. Jasper Knob is a world-famous site that is roughly 1,000 feet long and 375 feet high just inside Ishpeming's city limits. The property is owned by Cleveland Cliffs Mining Corporation and is considered the world's largest gemstone. Jasperite is an extinct sedimentary rock compound of silvery gray specular hematite with alternating bands of red jasper and quartz. The BIF deposit at Jasper Knob was laid down roughly between 1.8 and 2.4 billion years ago as part of the Canadian Shield. Yeah, interesting chunks of rock. Big. I can see him up the top of the hill. I can look back towards Ishpeming through the trees. Down the hill. It's quite the long walk. Longer than I expected. Let me get up here. Reaching the summit. We're getting there. Wow. Quite a hike. But once you're up here, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Jasper Knob. Jasperite in this iron formation. Wow, that's pretty cool. Very cool. Wow. No wonder the guys that discovered the iron up here were mesmerized by this banded iron formation. Pretty neat. Here's looking from the top of the knob out over Ishpeming. Nice view. Part of the Negaunee iron formation of the mid-Paleoproterozoic, Jasper Knob is still untouched by the iron companies because it reportedly has a relatively low iron content of around 40%. Nonetheless, a visit to this site during a pending thunderstorm would probably not be the wisest choice since lightning and a hill of iron do not mix well. For more detailed information on this and the other great sites in Michigan, check out the 2023 release of Michigan Rocks, a guide to geologic sites in the Great Lakes State, written by Paul Brandis.